Hi, I'm Anik Hasan Joy from Daffodil International University, and this video highlights my seats. Seat means skill and strength, education and experiences, achievement and teamwork. In the realm of skills, my proficiency lies in various aspects in administrative tasks, event organization and team coordination. As an assistant administrative officer at DIU, I have organized various kinds of events such as Daffodil Family Day, Daffodil Founding Anniversary, Parents Day, orientation programs, Banner Sholo, Chetona Ekush, and so on. Also, I am a Karate second and black belt holder from Bangladesh Karate Federation and award leader of Duke of Edinburgh International Award Program. I hold a bachelor degree in computer science and engineering from Daffodil International University, and I have 2 diploma in karate. I have completed basic airport service training from US Bangla Airlines. In my university, I have actively participated in many programming contests and cultural events. Also, I was one of the mentors of DIU Battle of Mind 2.0, organizer of DIU Cultural Club and founder president of DIU Karate Do Club. Being the first Blue Award holder in Daffodil International University is a testament to my dedication and excellence. Moreover, I participated and won many karate tournaments in national and international arena. Also, I am the runner-up of DIU Battle of Mind 1.0 and bronze awardee of Duke of Edinburgh International Award. My background in community service and organizational activities has honed my teamwork skills. With my team, I already distributed 5,000 laptops under DIU One Student One Laptop project. Also, our team working on DIU Bicycle project, DIU Learn and Earn project, and peer scholarship. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to the opportunity to contribute to your organization.